Once again, welcome ladies and gentlemen. I am Kasid and you're watching Crypto channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about Notcoin voucher. In this video, I will explain in details how to claim Notcoin voucher. So let's start the video. First of all, I am going to tell you how to claim Notcoin voucher from your Telegram bot. So first, let's give some introduction. I was posted Notcoin mining bot on 2nd January on our channel. If you are old miner, then go to Notcoin bot and click on mine Notcoin. After that, you can see your mining coin. You can convert minimum 10 million tokens in one voucher. How to claim vouchers? First of all, you need some gas fee for ton. I hope you all created ton wallet. If you did not create a ton wallet yet, then you can create now. How to create ton wallet? Go back and click on three line and you can see wallet option here. If wallet option not available on your Telegram, then you can click on search and search @wallet. Okay, now you can see this bot. Click here and start and open wallet or create wallet. Then you can see wallet option here. Now you can click on not voucher and after that you have to create tone space beta. You can see that. Simply click on that and you can see your wallet address and your NFT will be show here. And one more thing, you must have to note down your passphrase key. Go here, click on setting. You can click here. You can see passphrase key here. You have to note down it. Now you can see my wallet address. You have to deposit some ton coin, okay, for gas fee. For claiming voucher, you need 0.06 ton coin, and for transferring NFTs or voucher, you need 0.05 Notcoin again. Approx 0.12 not ton coin you need to claim. Okay, so you can deposit ton coin from any app. You can purchase ton coin from any of these apps and you can withdraw on your ton wallet. Okay, so let me deposit some ton coin first. Now you can see that I have deposited 0.14 ton coin, which approx value is $0.74. Now let's claim the voucher. Go back and open your Notcoin bot. Click on mine Notcoin. Then go to trade option. Click on Notcoin voucher. Click on continue. You can select one. If you have 10 million coin, then you can redeem one voucher. Okay, so I am going to redeem one voucher of 10 million. Now click on confirm. Now wait 1 minute for transaction. There is too much traffic. Now you have to click on mint. Now click on continue. Now wait 1 more minute. Now approve transaction from wallet. It will be automatically pop up. You can see blank page. If you also see this, then you can try after 5 or 10 minutes or wait 5 or 10 minutes more. It is back up already. Now click again voucher. Again click on mint, continue. Wait 30 seconds. I have seen one more issue. Let me show you. You can see my coin has been deducted, but voucher is not redeemed yet. Then you can click again on trade option, then click on Notcoin voucher, then click on continue. Now you can see you have not enough coins. Okay, now click back, again click here, again click continue. Again you can see, do this 5 to 10 times, then again you can see mint option. Okay, you can see after 20 or 30 minutes I have again mint option. The bot is very slow. You can try after 5 minutes, 10 minutes if you are facing any issues. Process is same. Simply click on mint and approve transaction from your wallet. You can see I am unable to see transaction because of traffic. You can see plain page. Now I have to wait again 5, 10, 20 minutes. So now guys, I uninstalled Telegram and again install Telegram, then it's working fine. Now click on confirm, and now transaction has been confirmed. Now wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Now it is automatic back. Now go back, check your wallet, click on beta space. Now your NFT or voucher will be shown here. Now wait 2 or 4 minutes, close the app, open again, go to wallet, I have to wait 2 or 4 minutes more. You can see here 0.06 ton has been deducted. It means you have successfully claimed, but your voucher will be shown here after 5 or 10 minutes. Now you can see after few minutes, voucher has been created in my collectibles. Now you can send these collectibles to your friend or you can sell unofficially. There are many few legit buyers who are buying these NFTs at approx $30 to $35 for current price. I am also buying. Interested, then you can also sell to me. How? You can contact me. Search on Telegram at the rate IAMQUASID. You can see my username. I have only one username. You can see. You can contact me from here and you can sell me. Or you can also hold it for future. It is up to you, you sell or not. So I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching our video. Keep supporting and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.